What's up, guys? Welcome to 1-on-1 Box Breaks. Really excited for tonight's break. Give us a few minutes. Just gonna set up. And tag the participants. Feel free to watch her live tonight. And thank you for tuning in. Hope everyone's safe this Saturday night. This 1-on-1 Box Breaks 41.0. We are tonight gonna open a 2019-20. Alright, we got our fillers. So, on the left, I think it's the diamond. On the right is the patch auto. Then on the middle is the small box. Let's go with the small box first. This is it. No turning back. Good luck. Hopefully bangers. There we go. We got the briefcase keys and the box. Alright, let's begin with this one. Alright, let's begin. Got a blank filler over here. Empty top portion. Empty box. I believe the first card is a blockchain. Alright, let's check. For the first card of the night, a blockchain not counted in the 10 cards. 2019 Panini Flawless Basketball. BC Flawless Finishes Gold. Card number 10. Who is card number 10? What's up, Boss IE? For sure, welcome. We got John Stockton. Blockchain Flawless Finishes Gold. For John Stockton. Nice blockchain. Nice blockchain card. Alright. Not bad for the first card. Moving on to the next. Next card. We got 20 of 25. 20 of 25. Who is this? We got a patch. Let's check. It's Harry Giles III. 20 of 25 for the Sacramento Kings. Boss Godfrey, the blockchain is not included in the 10 cards. It is basically a free card. It's the 11th. So we'll get to that later in the participants group chat. Alright. Harry Giles III. 20 of 25 for the Sacramento Kings. Nice. On to the side cam. Nice first hit. Alright. Let's just mag that up. Harry Giles III, 20 of 25. Patch autograph for the Sacramento Kings. Nice. Moving on to our next card. Hold on, I'll just get some mags. Okay. Moving on. Really high stakes break over here. On to the next. For the Golden State Warriors. Golden State Warriors silver foil flawless. We got Andrew Wiggins Star Swatch Signatures 22 of 25 for the Golden State Warriors. What a hit. Nice card, really cool card. Star Swatch Signatures for the Golden State Warriors. Nice. For tonight, we are live in two groups. 1-on-1 box breaks, Facebook group, and Card Hub breaks. Alright, let's just smack that up. Nice hit. 22 of 25. Andrew Wiggins. With that tri-colored patch. Blue, navy, and the white over in the corner. Nice. Moving on to our next hit. For the Bucks, it's Dante DiVincenzo. 9 of 10 gold foil for the Milwaukee Bucks. Dante DiVincenzo. 9 of 10 flawless on card autograph. Nice. Dante DiVincenzo, excellent signatures. 9 of 10 gold foil for the Bucks. What's up, boss Chaboy? Welcome. Onto the side cam. Alright. Dante DiVincenzo. 9 of 10 excellent signatures, gold foil for the Bucks. Side cam. Alright, let's go. So far, you already pulled 3 cards, not including the black blockchain. Next up, we got what looks like a red foil. Flawless red foil. Oscar Robertson, Premium Ink, 11 of 25, flawless for the Bucks. Moving on, last 3 cards for the small box. Alright. Next up, I think it's a green foil. Distinguished green foil. Green foil distinguished. We got Dennis Rodman, 5 of 5, low numbered for the Chicago Bulls. Nice. Dennis Rodman, green foil, distinguished, 5 of 5, last print for the Chicago Bulls. Congrats, Bulls. Okay. Dennis Rodman, 5 of 5. The Worm. Alright, so far no rookies yet. No rookies. Oh no. Alright, last two cards before the briefcase. Next card. Flawless for the Suns. For the Phoenix Suns. We got Star Swatch Signatures. 5 of 25. Kevin Johnson. For the Phoenix Suns. What a patch. Nice patch over here. Alright. Kevin Johnson, 5 of 25. For the Phoenix Suns. Puro Lolo hits. Where's the rookies? Sheesh. Next card. We got red foil. Red foil flawless. Let's check. Enshrined signatures. Walt Frazier. Hall of Fame class of 1987, 1 of 15. Red foil, parallel 1 of 15. For the New York Knicks, Walt Frazier. Alright. Enshrined signatures. Red foil for the Knicks. Alright. Wasn't so good. No rookies. We still have a diamond card and a patch autograph. Okay. Moving on to the 2 special cards. Let's start. I think this one is the diamond and this one is the patch autograph. So let's start with this first. Of course, we got the diamond guarantee agreement. Okay, let's go. It's a green, so I guess numbered to 5. Low numbered. Green parallel. Numbered to 5. Flawless. We got Vince Carter. Nice. 3 of 5. Vince Carter for the Atlanta Hawks. Nice diamond card. Really low numbered. 3 of 5 for the Atlanta Hawks. Vince Carter. Alright, let's go. Low numbered green foil parallel. 3 of 5. Vince Carter. Okay. On the right is our last card. Hopefully a banger. Looks like a horizontal. Gold. We got Shaquille O'Neal. Nice hit. 6 of 10. Shaquille O'Neal, USA Basketball. Encased card. Nice. Would you look at that? The Big Shaq. 6 of 10. Shaquille O'Neal, flawless. USA Basketball on-card autograph. Nice way to end this break. Shaquille O'Neal, USA Basketball. Alright, that sums up our flawless briefcase break. Unfortunately, not a rookie on site, but we will bounce back from this. Quick recap before we end. Dante DiVincenzo, 9 of 10. On-card autograph for the Bucks. Andrew Wiggins, Star Swatch Signatures, 22 of 25 for the Dubs. Flawless Premium Ink, 11 of 25, Oscar Robertson for the Bucks. Flawless Red Parallel Enshrined Signatures, Walt Frazier, Hall of Fame Class of 1987, on-card autograph, 1 of 15, first print for New York. Kevin Johnson, 5 of 25, Star Swatch Signatures for the Suns. Over here, a red parallel, Derek Fisher, 10 of 15, on-card autograph for the Los Angeles Lakers. Next up, Harry Giles III, patch autograph, 20 of 25 for the Kings. Next, a distinguished, flawless green parallel, Dennis Rodman, on-card autograph, 5 of 5, last print for the Chicago Bulls. Our diamond hit of this night, Vince Carter, 3 of 5, diamond card for the Atlanta Hawks. And the hit of this break, 6 of 10, flawless gold foil, Shaquille O'Neal, USA Basketball encased card autograph. Congrats. Thank you for the support. Thank you for making this flawless break happen, and see you on our next breaks.